See, it is a routine process. What they will do, the escoms, they will put a proposal to the KERC, electricity regulatory control, and they will call all the stakeholders. They'll discuss, and they'll finalize. Last time it was 2.5 rupees, but they didn't give so much. Anyhow, we'll see what the KERC is going to take. Because main purpose, there was a pension fund when the KEB was there, that the government has agreed that we have to give this pension. That fund arrears has come. That's why it is become little more. And also, when shortage is there, when the electricity, we are buying electricity from it. That's why it's small percentage, about 30 paisa will be increase on that. Anyhow, we have to wait and see what the KRC is going to be the final.
But opposition claims that it is all because of the guarantee scheme, especially after Grah Jyoti and all those programs, which is affecting the best.
When opposition was there, then there was no guarantee scheme. Then why they increased the thing? See, that time power purchase was very expensive. Now we are minimized it. We have reduced the rates also. Everything is we are doing. Last time we reduced the thing, and for the industry, that we are reducing to 5 rupees per unit. And so we are reducing it, and we are giving 200 up to 200 units free. The thing. That's why the common man won't be affected. That's the thing. Anyhow, the final decision has been taken by the KERC after hearing all the stakeholders.
What is the current proposal before you know? How much percentage?
See, that is not our proposal. It is the escoms. They will give the proposal to the KRC. KRC will give the final decision after hearing all the stakeholders. Thank you.